but it turned to kiwi lime. So yeah, and then I have a large one, which is this one. It's called peachy. I don't know. I just made up that, but if you have a name for this one, please comment down below, and we'll be good to go. And for the small ones like this, cost like $25.50. The ones like these and up are $1 for the small ones. This one would be $1. This one right here, sorry, would be $1.50 because of its size. This one would be $1. This one would be up to 2 to 150, and this one would be like 30 because how much is in there. So yeah, and for this you can have refunds on how you dependent it is, but I gotta see how you want it. I mean, how it is. If it isn't very good, I'll give you your money back. So, yeah, if you know me, I will surely give you a friend discount. And for slimes, if you purchase 5 to 7, like if you're purchasing 5, I will give you a discount on slimes. I also have package deal ones, for $2 if you're getting the small ones. If you're getting the bigger ones, it will upper the price like to 5. And I am doing glitter slimes, food slimes, multicolor slimes, galaxy slimes. You get the idea with stuff in them. And yeah. So if you like this, subscribe. Let me know that if you want some slime, I'll give you some slime out of all of these right here and these ones right here. So yeah, bye, peace.